To answer this question, I will take you to the formula of electric field, where electric field is equal to force by charge. Here the electric field and the force both are vector quantities, that is why they are marked as the arrow sign. Now, let me tell you about this charge. The formula is derived when this particular charge was taken as a reference positive charge. This charge was taken as positive. The experiment was done using this charge as a positive charge. Now, let me show you an image. This is the very popular image available in internet for electric field. Here, if you see, there are two charges. One is positive marked as red and another is negative marked as blue. Now, see, the field lines are coming out of the positive charge and going into the negative charge. That's how the electrical lines, field lines are drawn. Now, why this is so? Let me explain. Let me explain it by an example. I am taking one positive charge, just like you have seen in the image. This is the positive charge. Now, I will take the test charge, which is also positive, marked as green here. Now, if I take this green charge closer to the red charge, then by simple physics, the red charge will repel the green charge, and the green charge will feel a force towards this direction. That means, whenever I will take this green charge closer to red charge, it will feel a force outward. That is why, if you can remember the image, that is why the lines are coming out of the positive charge. Similarly, if I take the negative charge, then by simple physics, if I take the test charge closer to the negative charge, then negative charge will attract, and the test positive charge will feel a force in this direction. That is why, if you can remember the image, the field lines are going into the negative charge. That is how it has been drawn. Now, what is common between these examples? I have shown you by taking a positive test charge upon a positive and negative test charge. The common thing is, I have taken a positive test charge. That is why the field lines are like that. If I have taken a negative test charge, then the lines will be different. See, that is why the lines are coming out of a positive charge and going into the negative charge. If the test charge is negative, then the lines will be reversed. Now, let me show you another circuit, which where I have used one resistor which is connected to a battery. Battery has two terminals marked as red and black. Black is negative, red one is positive. I have taken a sample current direction. Now, in this circuit, there are two charges, the positive charge which is moving in this direction and the negative charge which is moving in this direction. Due to positive charge, there is a current, due to negative charge, there is a current. But let me tell you, current due to positive charge is positive current, which is same, or you can say equal to the current due to negative charge, which is called as negative current. Both currents are same, but we have to take one current. For standard convention, the current we always take is the positive current. We do not consider the negative current at all. We take positive current. That is why the sample test charge was positive, and that is why the current direction is always following the positive charge direction, and we know the positive charge flows from positive to negative of any voltage source. That is why current direction is positive to negative, whereas negative charge, which we call as electrons, always flows from negative to positive. That is why the current direction is always opposite to the electrons flow.